Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a nail tutorial using fall leaf nail decorations. We're going to need our nail tips. We're going to need some tweezers, nail polish, no wipe top coat, and base coat. So first I'm going to apply the base coat. Then we're going to cure that for 20 seconds. After that, we apply our builder gel and let that cure for 30 seconds. And the next step is, if you are very confident with your clear gel placement and you don't need to file, then you can just apply your clear top coat, which I did. I think it looks pretty good, so I added the top coat and the nail polish, and that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.